It's inside the 10, so it's 1st and goal. They're going to throw on 1st and goal. Jackson escapes. He sprints out of bounds inside the 5. And that's one of the things that he has become very adept at. It's outside the pocket, right about to run that little fake throw to freeze the defenders. To the 5, it's Edwards. Bang it inside for about a yard. Third and goal, and it's a run with Dixon seeking space. Not going to get there. Brandon Mebane, who has been away from this team, returns tonight, and the captain makes a big play inside.
Well, and huge to have him back for so many different reasons, right? Great for the locker room, a great leader, but he gives them a little bit bigger punch in between the tackles, something that they've been missing with the smaller lineup.
Fake to Dixon. Jackson's going to throw to the pylon, incomplete. He tried to get it to Michael Crabtree. Flag is down there late, and it's going to be on the Ravens.
See Michael Crabtree right here.
Very incidental contact. Well handed off by the Chargers. It'll be LA ball when we come back.